Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Computer Academy. My name is Sumera, and today I bring up the topic for you, which is about formulas. So, it is so easy to apply the formulas in MS Excel. So, today I will give you the overview how you can actually use the formulas. So, over here is just this is a very simple formula that you can have a look over here. For instance, you want to put two numbers and you want to add them two numbers and you want to get a result out of it. You set equals to 5. So this is the simplest form of the formula. But this formula, how we can use it in MS Excel, we always use the cell address, which is, I have told you in my previous video also, that instead of 2 or 3 we will putting the cell address, which is like A3, A1, like this. And then we will get a result out of it by itself. We could just gonna put the formula, but don't worry too much. This is I'm telling you right now, but in the coming slides you will see it's more easier and you can get the actual picture how you can do that. But just remember in your mind that all the formulas always is starting with the equal sign. So whenever you are in one cell, always put the equal sign first, and then, for instance, I want to add these two things. So I will be putting the cell addresses for these two numbers, and then you will get the result by itself. So equal sign means I want the result, or I want the output of these two numbers. So it will happen automatically for you. So let's go to the next slide, and then you will have a better idea over here. So you can see this is the one of the Excel sheet, and I put 2 over here. So this is A1. What with the address of the cell is a A1, and then this one is A2. So over here what I have done is I said equal sign. I put the equal sign first, and then A1 plus A2. So which is these two. So and then it will add up these two numbers and it will give you the output over here. So what it will be doing for you is, for instance, I'm changing the number over here. On A1 cell I put 5, and A2 cell I put maybe 6 over here. So what it will be doing for you is it will add up these two number, and then it will give you the output, so it will become 11. So that's how it works. So but this is a very good feature, or this is a very good way that you can use the formula. Sometimes we have a big balance sheets, and then balance sheet has created one time, but monthly budget is changing, monthly different column has changing. So when your formula is there, it will take care of the rest. So you don't have to worry about to go manually and change the number from there. No, because once you have put a formula here, it can do the job for you. So if you're changing number here, and in some time you have a multiple columns and you are changing number here, and for any reason, so your output will be perfect by itself. So which is the best thing. So even you can see over here that you can always put the equal sign, and then A1, and then an A2, and then it can just add up these two numbers for you, for me. So that's how it works. So over here I'm putting the plus, and even then you can put a different operation also, like minus. So it always goes like this. So let's going to the next slide. Let's have a look over here. Okay, so this is one of the example also, that we have actual income, and then we have a projected income, and this is the over and under budget. So this maybe look a little bit more for you, but in the next one it will give you the better idea how you are using this actually over here. This I have put the screenshot for you, so you will have a better idea. And these are the things. Okay, so we are talking about this sheet right now. This is one of the sheet over here. So you will notice that now over here we want to put total income. So what I have done over here is, it's you start with the equal sign and you put sum. Sum means that I want to add up all these columns, and then you will notice that I am putting, when you want to give a range of these columns over here, So what you're gonna do is actually range of rows. I want to from here, from C3 to I want to go to C7. So what I'm gonna put is I'm always gonna put a ratio sign in between. So what it's going to do for you is it's starting from here, C3 to until C7. So whenever you want to give a range of data, so you always use the ratio in between. It means that starting from C3, which is C, you can see C over here and 3 is over here. So starting from C3 to C7, add up all the numbers, all the values for me and give me the result. So this is the formula I have put it over here. So that's how it works. So these are the just the little things, so you don't have to be worry so much about it, but you will be noticing that how you can use it. And once you start doing this and making a practice to use these formulas, so you will find it very easy. So in the next column you can also have a look that for total income on this rows. So what I have done is I just put equal sign and then sum. Sum means to add it up, and then from D3 to until D7. So instead of here I write D3 plus D4 and the D5 and D6. Instead of that I just give the range, and that means from this one starting until this, add up everything for me. So that's how the formula is over here. So in the same thing over here also. And you will notice in this column what I have done is that I want to know the difference between this column and this column. So this is called over or under budget. Like what if it's the value is going in the minus or it's going in the plus. So it's telling you about this. So what I have done it over here is this is a C3 and minus D3. So it will give you the result by itself. So for instance, if we are generating this report every month, we are changing this value, or for any reason we are changing the this value. So it will automatically change the number over here in the final column. So this is the total, plus and minus over here. And then and at the end, if you want to see the total, it will use the same formula over here. So that's how it works. But I'm telling you, the people who has a brain like this, that they love to play with the numbers, it's pretty easy for them, and then they really love it to do this way. And like if your computer is your favorite subject, or you're maths oriented, and even any accounting field, so these are the very very good ways that you can use it, and you will enjoy doing these things. And this is also a screenshot that it's is another example that you can do it. So you can always try it in your free time. So that's how it's going. So please let me know if you have any questions or concern in the comment box below. So let me know, I will be happy to answer you. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it will be helpful for you. So till then, take care. Bye bye.